A spring peeper.
The wetlands. It's a lot of wetlands. We've even came into wetlands being in South
Red-winged blackbird.
It's a very, very lot of wetlands. The hearing and the understanding. A lot of interactive little situations. But you guys, then you get the great bird's eye view.
I went around.
Oh, we got some American beaver. Hey, wait a minute. See?
Like from Mill Creek.
Right from the creek. Right for the creek. Right for the creek. Got you some birds. We going out there, though. It's going to be lovely. Survival superpowers. I'm gonna take the next back upstairs because the stairs is like so good. Looks like embroidery brand. This is the next one, but it used to be the forest time. Take a closer look. The forest floors offer a snapshot of what is happening throughout all layers of the forest. And it is the foundation and support of the ecosystem. It provides shelter, food, water, and space for the diversity of species. Some who spend their lives at that level, and others who flip between the layers and other habitats. As the seasons progress, what you see on the forest floor changes as well. Take a closer look and discover.
They got Professor Branch's tree ID machine. If the tree has needles, if the needles are flat and born singly, it's a hemlock. If the tree has needles, if the needles are round and born in bundles or tufts of 5, it's a white pine. If you keep going, if the leaf have a smooth margin and edge, if the leaf has more than 4 lobes, it's a white oak. If the leaf has smooth margin edge, if the leaf have only 4 lobes, it's a tulip poet. So forth and so on.
Such as tree identification. Totally wonders of the forest. Cause y'all know we be in the forest all the time. All the time. Yes, the Rogers.